Hey guys, what is up? It's Dusty here and welcome back to another crypto video. One of the most top comments over the last couple of days was, Dusty, put on freaking dark mode. And so today guys, from now on, I'm gonna make sure that my coin market cap is not so bright into your eyes so you cannot see again. Alright, I got you. If you guys want this, make sure you press the like button. If you want us to go back to light mode, let me know in the comment section down below. But today, I have a special video for you guys, I think, because I have been so adamant about telling you guys about Metaverse and NFTs, and throughout time here, I've let go of a couple of hints regarding meme coins. I've told you, for example, that I made a good amount of money over on Shiba Inu, but it's only now, I think the last 2 days or so, that I'm reading into kind of like a like a development of meme coins of sorts. It's peculiar. So today I want to share some information with you guys regarding that. I think it's pretty damn fun. So hear me out, all right? It's a really interesting video. So first of all, I came across this Shiryu Inu cryptocurrency. A lot of my quote-unquote, I guess, crypto friends, I should call them, are talking about this one over on YouTube, and I got it mentioned to me a couple of times in real life, and so, of course, I had to do a little bit of digging. And apparently, it is an NFT trading card game that is, again, a little bit inspired by the whole Shiba and whatnot phase, but when I first saw this, I was like, this must be stupid, right? Because I saw the name only. But then I started reading into it, and I'm like, this is exactly the type of stuff that I usually buy as well, you know? So Shiryu pack, mint an avatar with like I guess in terms of NFTs, right? And game mechanics, you can already download them, but I guess a full game is coming. It says here, the Shiryu Inu game, fully functional DApp that allows the minting of trading packs with random cards, launching with Shiryu pack, Ikirya Inu, Onryo Inu, and Ichigo Inu will be released as future packs, and 150 NFT cards to collect in Shiryu packs. So once more, guys, I'm not a full expert on this, but as far as I know, it's like I'm guessing a trading card game, no? Yeah, that's as far as I have gotten throughout this journey right now, and I think it's rather interesting. But it is not only because of the project which you guys see in front of you that I kind of got excited. I find it difficult to explain to you guys because you need to hear the full story. So the reason I came up with Shiryu here, not like how I made it, but how it came into my video, was because all of a sudden I started seeing articles like this. Shiba teams up with the former Activision vice president to create a Shiba Inu NFT game. Here another one, Shiba Inu Metaverse, here's everything you need to know about the meme currency's gaming venture. But it's not like Shiba is the only one, because apparently Floki Metaverse is integrating NFTs and Metaverse capabilities. And I for a second thought it was Floki Inu, but as far as I now know, it is Floki Metaverse. That's the crypto name, and so forth and so on. But man, no, wait a minute. No, it here says the platform aims to offer. Wait a minute. I'm now getting confused. I thought. No, because the way I still think about it now is that you need to have Floki for it, and then you'll get the Floki Metaverse coins for free. That's what I kind of fetched from this. Because here it says the first private sale involved 10% of the supply. Floki Metaverse bought a total of 11% of the total supply. Second pre-sale involved about 20%. Yeah, you guys can obviously understand why I'm sometimes a little bit confused. It's because I don't like to do too much research into some of these things, which I'm not getting into. All right, in this case here, it was good to build up my story for how I kind of understood now that Metaverse and meme coins are coming to a freaking, coming to a point. But it does show something. Two things, I think. One, meme coins have a little bit more of an appeal than the regular person might think, in the sense that meme coins appeal to so many people because they're very low price, and so people think I can buy a lot of coins, and they're also a thing which people can in an easier fashion relate to than a serious investment, and it's of course a lot more memeable, so you see a lot more social interaction about them. Metaverse is kind of in the same fashion, whereas gaming, very easy way to get into crypto, and these things coming together I think was a very logical step for crypto as I see it now. However, what are my thoughts? Will I be buying into more of these things? What is my plan? Well, I guess I'm not sure if this Shiryu is actually launched just quite yet, because if there's meme type of cryptos that are going to be having these games, you guys already know from watching multiple different videos on my channel, I'm going to try buy-in. But I'm telling you guys right now that some of the cryptos which are doing this whole NFT like partnerships, for example. Shiba teams up with the former Activision vice president to create a Shiba Inu game. Some of these might get really successful. Don't forget, guys, Shiba Inu was actually the top traded crypto for a little while. There's definitely potential in this crypto to take over because it's already so memed. So is it solid in the sense that it's something that I would really honestly believe in from the studios and whatnot? Logically, upfront, no. However, they can build, and think about it, guys. Think about it. I'm in no way, shape, or form trying to get you to buy into this, but I will tell you that there's a really logical link that I've kind of put in for myself between the Metaverse gaming realm / NFT and meme coins here. I think the thin line is just there, and I think it can really appeal to a lot of freaking people. And so it's a very, very logical but very important pivotal step, as at the end of the day, it will allow for more crypto adoption, which, you know, at the end of the day is good. A lot of people will lose money, though, as they'll maybe ape into some of the stuff like this. I'm not exactly sure. But I'm going to, I guess, just kind of figure my way out around this stuff a little bit, guys. I keep sharing with you guys every single opportunity or idea that comes up into my head. Right now, I just saw this. I wanted to make a video about it because I'm seeing more and more and more of this. I'm like, what is going on? And then also, guys, you are freaking crazy with the Xrdoge stuff over on the channel, man. I keep seeing people in the comment section go completely berserk on this coin. And I guess it's because, obviously, it's a big part of the XRP community that has these coins, and a lot of the people on my channel, you know, are the XRP community. But it's interesting. So what I do with meme coins right now is I almost fell off my chair again. I'm not really buying into any one of them anymore, to be completely honest with you. I did post up a little tweet earlier saying whatever meme coin wins I'm going to buy into. I'm still thinking about which one is the best to buy. But that's purely for the memes and for the jokes. The majority of these do really, really well in an extreme bull market or when the cycle basically switches, which could theoretically speaking be now if we actually look at the 10% gains which we had here after, of course, the very bearish announcements a couple of days ago. So this could be a good time to basically look for some more entries into meme coins over the next couple of days. But generally speaking, guys, I'm not buying into them because it's not worth it right now. With Metaverse coins, for example, I know the gains are almost certain. So why would I then risk it basically on some meme coins? Instead of, or unless, I mean, we're talking about a coin that's in like the number 3,000 spot where I throw $100 at it and we'll see. But I don't think that's investing, that's just gambling. Right? There's no logical explanation for why a coin must do better than another. For example, one of the coins which did extremely well right now, I don't want to say the name of, but I can type it in for you, I think. Yeah. So let's see here. This cryptocurrency did extremely, extremely well today, over the last couple of days maybe. I'm not exactly sure. Let's see here. It just got launched just now. You can see the price and how it moved. Manipulated, debatable, but very interesting price movement. And this is, of course, because of events, and very often it's Elon Musk and whatnot. But I don't know, I think that's just gambling more so. Some of these things I'm going to get into, so I'm letting you guys know about it up front, and you may do with it as you please. I do join a lot of games, though, so maybe for me it's more logical to talk about it. DeFi, it used to be DeFi, then I got into NFTs, now I think it's Metaverse. I am buying into so many freaking Metaverse projects, it's insane. I'm kind of losing my mind, I guess, but that's because I'm so certain, guys. I'm so certain that this is the next big thing. And I'm just trying to really, I don't know, portray that in my videos here to really show some confidence in this stuff. Because even though I'm a really big XRP holder, and I do like that they're going for DeFi as well, I think there's some other very good methods to earn some juicy freaking gains in crypto right now. And as I've said before, whenever I think of something, I try to share it. So thank you guys all for watching, and I'll see you guys again in another crypto video later today or tomorrow.